Hi everyone, this is Pano with AVI, and we're here with another episode of Why with AVI. So today we're going to show you why you should invest in a path button in your house. So I'm going to show you what the path button does and why you need it, especially if you have a lot of corridors and your house is a little bit bigger. You go from point A to point B within the house. This is where this helps a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically initiate the path, and we're going to get to walk from this area of the house to the basement. And you're going to get to see that with a single button, we're going to turn on all these series of lights, so we don't have to sit there and turn on lights as we walk through the house. So let's check this out. I'm going to go ahead and press the path button, and I just turned on the hallways, and we're going to go and start walking. As you can see, this hallway has turned on, and this hallway has turned on, and the staircase. So we're going to go to the basement. And by just turning off the path, we just turn off all the lights behind us, so we don't have to do multiple presses on buttons. And while we're here, we're going to go ahead and turn on the basement. And that will turn on a series of lights throughout the basement, so we can go to our destination with a single push of a button on a keypad. These are just some of the features of lighting control and why you should have it in your own home. Here we are in the basement. Just by pressing that button up the top of the stairs, the entire basement has turned on, and we get to walk to our theater. And here we are. This is the theater. And by just hitting a simple button saying TV, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn on our projector and our speaker system, and we can sit down and enjoy the show. Why with AVI?